today's video I'm going to show you how to detach or mute audio within Clipchamp. So if you haven't got Clipchamp installed on your computer, just go to the description and you can work with it online by registering. So if I go to create a new video and then import media, I just select one of these videos here and tap on the cross there. I can add it or drag it down. So I can do a right click, I can go to audio and I can mute or detach it. So if I detach it there, you can see it's been extracted. I can see the pauses in it. If you want to get rid of those pauses, there's a video at the end where you can get rid of the pauses, reduce the time your video runs for, and make it more watchable. Please like and subscribe at the end of the video.